Hi my darlings, you're welcome. Okay, if you stopped by because you want to see the process on how to install beads on your little girl's braids, then you are in the right place. Okay, so we have our beads, a bead inserter, crochet pin, a smaller crochet pin, a tail comb, and flexible rubber. Next, I'm going to do some braids on the mannequin. Okay, time to install. Let's go with the bead inserter first. Hold the bead inserter so that the tail is facing upward and place your beads so it passes through the tail and sits at the bottom. I have my beads arranged in color sequence, but feel free to be dynamic with yours. Take the tail of your braid and pass it through the white space of the inserter. When that is done, push the beads upward with your left hand and pull out the inserter as it passes through the beads with your right hand, and voila, you have your beads in your braid. To secure the beads on the braid, pull the last bead to the tail of the braid, ensure you leave some space so it doesn't fall out. Bend the leftover braid upwards, then you hold in place with the bead, and then go ahead with your rubber to wrap around the bead and the braid multiple times. You now have your beads secured. Now let's try using the big crochet pin. Repeat the process of placing your beads through. Then you take the tail of your braid and place on the hook. Lock the pin, then push the bead upward and pull out the pin as it passes through the beads. Next, let's try the smaller crochet pin. Repeat the same process as before, and you can use whichever type of crochet pin depending on the size of the beads you want to install. Okay, so I have shown you how to use either the bead inserter or the crochet pin if you have any of the two. You might be lucky to get a bead inserter when you purchase a bead pack, but if your bead pack doesn't come with a bead inserter, you can try using the crochet pin if you have one. Okay, so you do not have any excuse if a little girl requests that you put beads on her braids, okay? Do not forget to like this video, share and subscribe. See you!